Hi guys, I'm Namrata. In today's video, I'm going to share with you unboxing of Balzano vacuum cleaner, and along with this, I'm also going to share with you my review of this vacuum cleaner after using for 3 months. So let's get started. Let's open this pack and then I will show you all its parts and extension. This is an actual body made up of steel and these are its extension plus some accessories. As it specifies, it has strong and sturdy steel body with 1600 watt copper motor which makes it strong and sturdy. It has this MIF filter with a sponge which helps to remove even the finest particles, and it is long lasting as this is washable. It has this 360-degree sturdy wheels and easy drainage to drain water without actually lifting the drum. This is 25 liters with 5 meters of cord length. This model also comes in 20 liters. This product comes with 1 year warranty and for motor it's 2 years of warranty. The interesting part about this model is it has a blower feature too. I will demonstrate all of its features in later part of the video. These are attachments that comes with the cleaner. This is one brush that is going to be the same for both surfaces, wet and dry. I think it's a good part that both can be cleaned with a single brush instead of two separate attachments. This is another brush tool which is used for shelves or wooden surface which has corners where the other flat brush can't reach. This is a flexible hose that will enable us to clean at any angle. These are extension tubes that are directly going to use during blower operation. Overall, I think it's kind of a compact design which is suitable for apartment and of course small office spaces also. It has large suction power and capacity. I personally think this is good design because I will not have to change attachments for every other surface or operation. As per the manual, I am going to perform all the operations that they have listed and on the maximum surface that I have in my house. This is just to make sure that everything is working and of course it's in good state. As it has good suction power and capacity, surfaces like floor, carpet, rugs, even foot mats are cleaned well. My major goal for buying this vacuum cleaner is for window rails. And because it is wet and dry, I could just pour some water and vacuum will do its job. In this case, you can see it sucked all the dirt from the rail but have difficulty reaching corners. So we have to loosen the dirt first, then it was much better. I was able to clean the window net with a flat brush. Now let's see how it performs in case of mattress. To make sure that it really is cleaning, we attach this cotton cloth in between the tubes. Look how much dirt is got collected just after 2 rounds of brushing on the single corner. The conclusion is that it really cleans the mattress well. With a corner brush, we can now easily clean bed storage. We tried cleaning fan with the small corner brush and to my surprise, the fan looks as good as new. With given extensions, I was able to clean all nets and dirts accumulated on the ceiling and its corner. In my balcony, it's difficult to use broom or vacuum cleaner due to these many plants. So here I am using blower operation of this cleaner. It is a super cool option and better than vacuum, I would say. It's just that I will have to be careful to direct all dirt in one corner. You can see how much power it has. Even the farthest plant in the corner is experiencing the air from cleaner. After cleaning, you can see how much dust is got collected. With this, let's see what are its advantages. It is a lightweight, weighs only 7 kg. It's a compact design and not with too many attachments. Great suction power and also capacity. It can clean wet and dry surfaces. It's also budget friendly. The only thing that I did not like is the sound. It makes high noise during any operation, which actually becomes irritating after a few minutes. If you are also looking for budget-friendly vacuum cleaner with great suction power and capacity, then go for it. I have mentioned the product link in description box below. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching it. I'll see you in the next video.